Welcome to Right Instrument, the RT-435 desktop ink proofer, designed for fast, accurate, and reliable color proofing of inks in printing and packaging industries. The RT-435 is widely used in printing factories, ink manufacturers, packaging companies, research institutes, and universities. It simulates real printing press conditions to predict ink colors accurately before mass production, saving time, reducing waste, and ensuring consistent color quality. Motor-driven automatic ink blending ensures uniform color every time. Blending time is adjustable for different inks. Printing pressure can be finely adjusted from -1 to +1 mm to match material thickness. 3 preset roller speeds, 400, 550, 700 revolutions per minute, with frequency conversion adjustment, 0 to 1000 revolutions per minute, for different ink viscosities and paper characteristics. Color strip display speeds of 10, 15, or 20 revolutions per minute, adjustable via frequency conversion from 0 to 30 revolutions per minute. German imported rubber rollers, VU70, same as actual printing machines, replaceable with common or UV rollers. Maximum roller width 225 mm, effective color strip area 45 mm times 210 mm, for strips, enabling fast 4-color proofs. RT-435 desktop ink proofer, improving efficiency, reducing waste, and ensuring consistent ink quality. Contact Right Instrument today to learn more.